Alright, so we're making it out today. For me to tell you guys, I'm going to host a September meetup on the 23rd of September. With me posting this today, it will give you 1 month to prepare. We are currently at Mayo Beach. This is where the ride's going to end. I am going to make a video for the weekend to show you guys the route, but we're going to start at Chipotle in Dunkirk and make our way through some back roads. I have 2 different routes that I want to ride before I let you guys know which one it is, just to see which one's going to be a little bit more group friendly. But super excited. We have done one of them on the way here, and I'm going to do the second one tomorrow and get it all dialed in and let you guys know. But it will be point A down there to point B here. Just kind of chill here, enjoy it. There's bathrooms. I think there's some stuff to drink up there, maybe, as well as you get to just chill at the beach. And it's going to be a little bit cooler than today, but I don't know. I'm super excited. I am finally starting to find different places that I want to do meetups, and this is going to be the one for the end of this year. The address for both here and Chipotle will be down in the descriptions. My plan is to meet at Chipotle at noon. Get some food, get there around noon if you guys plan on eating. Otherwise, I plan on doing kickstands up at 1 and then making our way down here. It should be about an hour-ish ride, give or take, and we will end here and just kind of chill here. Maybe even if who's still here wants to go and do a additional loop, we can go do that. But plan is to just chill, have a nice time, and enjoy seeing each other. So hopefully I will see you guys there. Thank you for checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, of course, and make sure to make it. But till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.